Today's video shows 10 hidden signs a girl secretly likes you. Number 1. She fixes her appearances. Number 2. She stays physically closer. Number 3. She notices others girls. Number 4. She gets nervous near you. Number 5. She watches your stories quickly. Number 6. She continues conversations. Number 7. She laughs at your jokes. Number 8. She replies very fast. Number 9. She smiles around you. And the last one, number 10. She remembers small details about you.